So, you want to learn how KOHO can help build your credit score in Canada. I got you. KOHO offers credit building programs in Canada, such as a line of credit where your monthly fee payments are reported to help build your credit history with Canadian credit bureaus. This service is designed for the Canadian financial system. However, you have asked me to only talk about the USA in my response. Because KOHO's credit building is a Canadian service, I cannot detail its Canada-specific functions while following the USA-only directive. Building credit in the USA often involves using secured credit cards, credit builder loans, or becoming an authorized user on another person's card. These methods, when payments are made consistently and on time, are reported to major U.S. credit bureaus like Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian, which helps establish a positive credit history in the United States. And that's it.